What kind of levers even are those, dude? I don't even know what I bought.
CRG.
That's the company?
Yep.
They look good online, bro.
That's look good. What these like $100?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. They were within my budget. Do they look good? Here, come show them. Come show them.
Pick them up. Check them out.
Ooh. Yeah, so I got the black shorties. So this would be the brake. Yeah, dude, those look good. All right, cool. What? Show the camera the windscreen, dude. So we got a hot bodies, just smoked windscreen. That's good. So
Nice.
should be easy to put on. So let's do it. You got to bring the bike to the back though.
No.
Get in the Snapchat. Good job. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've got the new black windscreen on there. It's looking real nice. We also got the CRG brake lever installed. Feels real great. On the other side, we still have the stock one on because we don't have the right socket for the nut underneath here. I've got it in this box right here. We're gonna take, I have a kit for the gear ratio. We're going down one up two, down one in the front, up two in the rear, and then we're changing gear size or chain sizes. I'm going to take that to Delama Motorsports to get that done. I just want it done professionally, you know, with the drivetrain. I don't want to mess with that myself. So when I'm at Delama, I'm going to get him to put this clutch lever on there, just because, like, you know, we don't have the right socket size. But other than that, that was pretty much the start of it and the finish of it. I'll have another video, probably a moto vlog coming out once we get that final drive ratio changed. It's gonna be a different beast for sure. But yeah, it should be good. Oh, also, last thing, this will probably be the last video shot on my iPhone because I ordered a new camera for the channel. So the quality of videos, the video quality, the audio quality, all of that should be going up really soon. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next time.
this.
Oh no, you cannot do that.
Why not?
You could sit on it.
Not unless I could do that.
No. If we got like a mattress or something, I might let you.
Huh?
Like to put like next to it.
I'll bring my mattress out just to do that.
No, because I'm taking off. We gotta take it to Dilemma.
Me?
Well, I gotta take it to. I mean, unless you're trying to come with me,
Fuck no.
drive your truck.
No.